Hello, all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we are going to understand how to generate trend lines in Tableau. I'll pick up two measures, that is, sales, and drop it into the columns, and I'll pick up the profit and drop it into the rows. Next, I'll pick up the order ID and drop it into the detailing. So it gives me the scatter plot. Now I want to generate the trend line which can fit best to this data. So I'll go in Analytics. I'll pick up the trend line. Depending upon the model which I want to choose, I can choose linear, logarithmic, exponential, polynomial, or power. Let us drop it into the linear model. So I'll get the linear model. Now, if you hover a mouse on this line, you will get the equation even with the r square. Now, you can click on this line, and if you do the right click, describe the trend model. So it gives me the trend model, the p-value, is it significant or not, and we can also form the equation from this. So my profit is equal to minus 23.20 plus 0.175 into the sales. So I can form the equation also. So this is a linear model which is generated. I can again pick up the trend line, and if I want, I can use the logarithmic model. So this is a logarithmic model. Again, its equation is there and its r square is there. Now you can see the r square has decreased. So this model is comparatively not properly fitting the data as compared to the linear model. Let us again pick up the trend line and drop it into the exponential. You can see here the r square. It's 0.370. Again, I can pick up this and drop it into the polynomial. You can double click on this line and you can edit it. Now, depending upon your requirement, you can choose the degree here. So 2 degree, 3 degree, 4 degree to fit the data appropriately. So this is the way you can generate trend lines in Tableau. For more videos on Tableau, kindly subscribe to my channel. You can follow me on LinkedIn and Twitter. Please refer my playlist in which I have already uploaded many videos on Tableau. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and press the like button.